you can use the laser to protect a tooth so it doesn't get cavities and make it harder and stronger. The research actually shows that if you use a CO2 laser like this that we have here at the right energy, then it makes the tooth more acid resistant or prevents it from getting cavities. This is amazing. So what you used to do is if you had little cavities in those teeth, you'd take a drill, you'd go and remove a lot of healthy tooth structure to get in there and get those little pieces of decay. What we can do now is this patient actually had small cavities starting deep in those nooks and crannies. They're so small you can't even get in there with a toothbrush. Here we use the laser to gently go in and it just removes that softened, decayed portion of the tooth. And then what it also does is the rest of the tooth, it goes in and makes it harder and stronger. So after this procedure, the tooth is decay-free, it's perfectly clean, and it's actually harder than it was before. Then what you do is you put a sealant that seals up all those little canyons, those cracks and crevices, so that it doesn't ever get a cavity in those areas again. And for us here at Milk Tooth, you see the isolation is perfect, which means there's no tongue on the tooth, there's no saliva, no bacteria is getting there contaminating the sealant. It's done with absolute precision and perfectly clean. And so this is how you get a sealant to last a decade or more as opposed to a year or two. And you see here on the finished product, the tooth has no cracks and crevices.